This is my 1.9 turbo diesel Volkswagen T4 imported from Northern Ireland. So far I've done all the lowering the suspension, I've got Scarface low riders, shock plates, all the proper gear on the bottom to slam it on the floor. I've got Audi TT front seats in ivory leather, and today we're going to be doing a full custom side exit exhaust using only pieces that are already found on the van. Let's get into it. Right, the first thing we've got to do is let's jack this up, get it on axle stands so it doesn't fall on my head. Okay, we've got the van up on axle stands. The sun's really not helping me today. It's really bad lighting for filming, but anyway, we're getting under the van today. My plan today is to remove pretty much the entire exhaust system from about here back, get rid of it, and I'm going to add a pipe using parts that I've cut from the old exhaust system to make a pipe that comes out, because there's plenty of curves and bends in the pipe that you're removing, in the exhaust that you're removing, so we can cut them and use them to bend the pipe out and like weld them together and make a little side exit exhaust. You can even do this without welding if you like. Let's have a look what's going on under here, shall we? Under the vehicle, right, you've got the pipe that comes out of here, comes to here, runs here, which is right alongside of the van. It runs down to here, goes into a joiner here, and it goes off into this big massive exhaust system that goes all the way to the back with like big silencer back there. Basically we're going to split this joint here, which is going to be a nightmare by the looks of it, get this off, and then the rest of the exhaust can just go. So we're just going to have a pipe coming from the engine down to here, yeah. Then if you look closely, where is it? If you look closely here, that's where the hanger is. So if we can extend this pipe, or even when I take this off, I might even cut this pipe here and add a piece here, just so I can put a piece of rod across to the hanger and then just have it coming outside. That's literally all you need. Like, you can use the piece of exhaust that's here. You could even, actually, what am I saying? Look at this. You can even just cut the exhaust there, because there's a joint, and you can just twist this that way and it will be a side exit exhaust. You've got everything you need for a side exit exhaust on your vehicle, on your T4. You just haven't realised it. So like, yeah, cut that there if you want to be really cheap, and you just want a side exit for all the turbo noises on the 1.9 TD. You can literally break this clamp off, cut it there, and turn it this way, and then maybe put a support across just to the, what do you call it, the bracket there to hold it up. It's that simple. So what I'm going to be doing today is, though, I've got a piece of exhaust here that I actually want to try and fit. I would love an exhaust to come out and up or something, but first things first, we need to try and get this separated. I've filled it with WD-40. That's what I'm going to do right now. My first job before I do anything else is to take this clamp off and see if I can get this to separate. If I can, happy days. The rest can literally just be cut off by cutting the bump stops, by cutting the rubbers, and the whole exhaust will just drop. Get it out the way. Look at all the bends and pipes you've got in this exhaust that you can use to make a better exhaust. So let's see if we can crack this off. Okay, I managed to get the clamp off, although one of the things snapped, so I wanted to get another clamp. But now it's a daunting task of trying to hammer this tube off of this tube. It's been there a while by the looks of it. This may be the hardest part of the whole job. Let's crack on with it, shall we? Do you know what? It's not going to tap off. I need to twist the pipe, so I'm not even going to waste my time. I'm just going to cut it straight there, grab the pipe and just start twisting, because I want to use this piece maybe anyway. So, and then the rest of the exhaust is just redundant, so I'm going to get my angle grinder out and I'm just going to chop right there. Okay, the deed is done. Exhaust is now chopped right there, and the rest of it is redundant. I've not even tested how loud this is going to be. From my experience, this has got no mufflers in it whatsoever now, not a single silencer, but it does have a turbo, so we should just get loads of turbo noises and a nice growl, I hope. Right, one thing I'm going to do now is I'm going to get under here. I'm not going to film it. I'm going to get under here and just going to cut the rubbers. Actually try and save as many as I can, because I'm going to need one for here. And just going to drop this exhaust, get the rest of the exhaust off, and then we can try and work on this. I might need some Stilsons on this just to try and twist it out, or just make it, get it off so I can build an exhaust off the side. But yeah, I'm gonna try and get the rest of this exhaust off, bear with me. Big hammer, chisel-y thing, bolster, whatever you want to call it. Let's try and get this off. Twist. Yes, I got it moving. Yeah, boy. Actually, it would be good if I could get this off. Come on. Come on. Yes. Yes. Alright, first things first. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to clean up the inside of this so it actually goes on and off the van a lot easier. That's the first thing I'm going to do. I'm going to do it the easy way. Some flappy disc thing on there and that will do. Next thing I'm going to do, let's move that a minute, is see that was all ragged and jagged from where I cut it off the van. Next thing I'm going to do is cut a nice even circle line around that. I'll use some tape to get that right. Bit of insulating tape will do. Maybe I want it about there. Yeah. Let's just give that a nice clean line. That'll work. Something's going on outside. What is that? Oh wow. Sorry, there's a load of old World War II bombers flying over in formation. Must be something like Duxford. Right, that's that. Let's get his tape off. Okay, now, are these the same size? That almost looks like it's going to fit in that. That's mad. If that fits inside there, that's crazy. It does. Ooh. No way. There's no... What? Seriously, that fits inside. That's going to help. That's going to help a lot. So I can weld this up. If I put this back on the vehicle... I'm going to go put this back on the vehicle, clean up the edges of the exhaust on the vehicle so that slides on nicer, and then we can put this on for size. I'm going to go and do that now. Just going to put it on, figure out where roughly I want this to sit, and then we can go from there, and I'll come back in and I'll make it.
A few moments later.
Right, so I've worked out that there is the perfect spot, and that just slides straight in, no problem at all. So that being slid straight into there, I can literally just put a bead of weld around there, or in my case loads of spot welds around there, and that's it. And then that should go on, and then all we got to do is weld a little brace across. Okay, so I'm gonna get on with having a go at welding that. First I'm gonna give it a quick grind around the area just for a better weld. Right, let's crack on with welding. Probably gonna give myself sunburn on the face again because my welding mask don't work. I had to buy these glasses, and last time I welded with these, I got a sunburnt face, so fuck it. Let's do it. If they will stay on. Are they going to stay on? Oh no, I broke them. Get in. Stay on my face. Oh, for God's sake. Did they come with a strap? I think I removed the strap. Oh, I took the strap off. Oh, I'm an idiot. Might have to hold this. Let's hold this with my hand. Right, let's get. Not wearing any socks. I think give that a quick grind down. There we go. That will do. Solid. Right. Wow. 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 Now, I'm going to go get the other exhaust off the vehicle. I need to find a clamp actually, because I broke the clamp. I think I had one somewhere. Let me have a quick look. Okay, we managed to get the rest of the exhaust out. Let's have a look at it. Inspect it. Ooh. Ooh. Look at that. It was going to go soon anyway. That's not even joined. Look at that blow. You can tell a blow by all the soot coming out of it. Look, that was about to drop anyway. That's a good job I'm doing this. So, we have now got this made up. I've welded, it's not pretty, but I've welded that arm on. So that sits up like that. That slides on and that arm goes into place. Right, let me just get this on and then I'll show you what it looks like. Here we go. That's slid all the way onto there. That goes down like that. And then this arm comes out and goes into, this is not the hanger I want to get a proper one, but for now it works. What this enables me to do is, when I twist this, the more this is twisted, the more that arm pushes down on that, and the more it pulls it up to the body. So, once I've got the clamp on here, and I've twisted this round, right, and that's proper twisted round, this is going to tuck, like this tucks right up into the body, just leaving that little bit sticking up there. Which is exactly what I wanted. This is all made out of old bits of exhaust. Now, do I want to make a little extra tip off of here going up? Something cool. What have I got on this exhaust that I can use? Maybe one of these end tips or something. They're quite funky. The way they twist down. I wonder how I could use that on there. Let me cut one of these off and just see what I can do.
A few moments later.
Well, I just cut one of the tips off the exhaust just to see if there's anything I could do. Like maybe if I put it up about there and have it pointing backwards or something. I'm not sure. Pointing down now. Do you know what I really want? Which I don't have right now. I'll have to get a piece. Do you know what? For today, I think this will do. But what I actually want to do is I want to get a piece of exhaust that comes out of here, up here, and points back. So it comes off and up, back that way. I like that look. I want to get one of them tractor exhaust flaps on it. I've seen people do it. It looks really cool. But for today, I think that is a success. I've got a side exit exhaust there. I need to sort out a nice tip for it or something. But right, let's get this bolted up. We still need to do the reveal of how it sounds yet. We've not started this up. I have no mufflers whatsoever. Right, let's see if I can find a decent exhaust hanger as well. But for now, just going to put a clamp on and do it up. I need to get some exhaust paste in there first. Okay, we're going to put some exhaust putty around this join so it doesn't leak. Hopefully this is not gone solid because I've had it a while. See if I can get some out. Oh, there is some. Oh yeah, we've got some coming out. That's good. Let's stick some of this around here. Should be all over my bloody hands now. Get it all the way around, just to make sure it doesn't leak any gases out. Suppose you could wear gloves with this, but nah. There we go. Right, let's wipe it off my hands before my fingers go hard. Why did I do that? Right. I've got the camera leaning on it. Let's move the camera to there. Get this pipe on. There we go. And there. Let's get this rubber on there. Get on. There we go. Right. Let's get this. Where's my clamp? Clamp bit. I'm using an old bit of the old clamp and then the used bolt I found, and yeah, we're just going to make it work really. Let's do these up. Got two different size nuts on here, but they seem to fit. Right, it's not going to hit the body at all, is it? There's really knocking going on, right? Okay, we're done. It's time to drop it down and see what this sounds like. It's going to be good, this bit. Okay, van is back down on the floor, as you can see. You can't really see the exhaust. You come down here And you can just see it sticking out there. Just there, look, it's tucked up though. Just that little bit sticking out there. Right. Do you want to see what it sounds like now? It's quite windy out here, but I'll do my best. Let's see what it sounds like. I mean the truth. Okay, so it's not too loud on tick over. I can just about hear the turbo. Let's give it a few revs. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. Can you hear that turbo whistle? That woo. Gonna get a few minutes. There's somebody over there with a baby. Oh no, they're going indoors now. Let's give it some proper revs. Take it for a drive and have a listen. I don't know if you can hear this, but oh my god! Alright, are you ready? Listen. Wait for it. Wait for it. Shut the window. It's got the. Oh, I don't know if you can hear the boo every time I change gear. Oh, boo! Here we go. You ready? Oh God, you can't get tired of that. I'm gonna do it again. Oh, here we go again. And again, here we go, here we go. Oh, okay, enough. As you can hear, it's so much better, isn't it? It's so much better. Wow, I'm well happy with that. Like I said, I want to make it go up and back, maybe up a bit with one of them tractor flaps on the top. But for now, I'm happy with that until I can get a piece of pipe to do that. But anyway, peeps, that's how you do a DIY custom side exit exhaust, just using your old exhaust and pieces from it. So no need to go out and buy all these side exits. Just get on it, get an angle grinder out, learn to weld, buy a cheap welder. Job's a good one. Anyway, peeps, don't forget to like and subscribe. Don't forget to go and hit that hype button if you like what I'm doing. And yeah, see you in the next one, peeps.